Yeah? What do you want?
Oh, hi. A mechanic.
Do I look like a mechanic?
I don't know. Maybe.
You wouldn't catch me crawling around under any old bomb, getting all that grease on me.
Look, the car's broken down. I want to get out of here. I need a mechanic.
What's the hurry? You want a cup of coffee?
You all right?
How do you have it?
White with one. But what about the mechanic?
We used to have one, but he ain't with us anymore.
Where is he?
Well, a matter of fact, he's across the road.
Well, I'll go and have a talk to him.
You can try, but you'll have to dig him up, because he's in the cemetery. Cheer up, son. I can put you up for the night.
What about a bus?
Thursday.
That's 2 days.
We can get to know each other.
Nice.
Real well.
Boy, I may be able to help you out of your predicament. Come on over. Come over to the fat of the tree. I can see by the look in your eye there, boy. You're a crazy boy. You're wild. You're a free spirit. Just like me, you know.
Yes, sir.
You know what I got outside there, boy? I got me a 57 Cadillac. I bought one for my Mama Gladys. She's gone now. Well, say you and I get in that car and hit the road, boy. We could be like Thelma and Louise. You be Thelma, I'll be Louise.
Sure. You only live once.